Dear children, before we start our assembly, I'm going to take a few names, and everybody should be listening to these names with a lot of respect and regard. First of all, I'm going to take the names of a few space scientists. These are the space scientists because of whose contribution India could make Chandrayaan-2, due to which, in India we have got this distinction of having the privilege of landing at the moon. So these are the names of the scientists. Ritu Karidhar, Mission Director of Chandrayaan-2 project. Kalpana Kalahasti, Deputy Mission Director of Chandrayaan-2 project. Miss Vanitha, another space scientist who was involved in this project. Miss Nandini Harinath, she was also one of the space scientists who was involved in Chandrayaan-2 project. Miss Anuradha TK, another space scientist who was involved in Chandrayaan-2 project. After these wonderful, great contributors in the sphere of space science, I'm going to take the names of a few Olympians, those who have not just participated in the Olympic Games, but they also got winning medals. First of all, it is Karnam Malleshwari, weightlifter, who got a medal in Olympic. Great Mary Kom, several times world champion and a medalist in Olympic Games in boxing. Saina Nehwal, another medalist in Olympic in badminton. Miss P.V. Sindhu, 2 times Olympic medalist in badminton. Sakshi Malik, an Olympic medalist in wrestling. Mirabai Chanu, an Olympic medalist in weightlifting. Lavlina Borgohain, a boxer and Olympic medalist. Manu Bhaskar, 2 bronze medals she got in shooting. Now I'm going to take a few names of great writers who are all Booker Prize winners. Booker Prize winners is one of the world's most prestigious award that is given to anyone in the field of literature. After Nobel Prize, this is the most prestigious award that is given to anyone in the field of literature. These are the names of Booker Prize winners. Arundhati Roy, she got Booker Prize. Kiran Desai, in 2006, she got Booker Prize. Gitanjali Shri, in 2022, she got Booker Prize. Bhanu Mushtaq, in 2024, she got Booker Prize. So we are talking about these women achievers, dear students. And why are we taking their names today when we are celebrating all over the world International Girl Child Day? We are celebrating this child we are talking about these great achievers for one reason. The kind of society that we are living, the kind of world that we are living in this entire world, even if people say we are in 21st century, this is 2025, gender bias is always there. So far as girls are concerned, women are concerned, they are never considered fit for careers. They are never considered fit for taking lead in the society. They are never considered fit for having any kind of achievements or having any kind of leadership positions in the society. This is the general perception. उनके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं जाता है कि ये कोई बहुत बड़ा करियर अपने लिए बना सकती है. सोचा ही नहीं जाता है. Just when a girl is born, this kind of perception is there. She'll be looking after the guests, she'll be looking after the family, and she'll be looking after everybody in the society. But she will become an IAS officer, she'll become a space scientist, she'll become an Olympic medalist, she'll become a great writer, she'll make her mark in the world of sports, or she'll make her mark in the world of literature, or she'll make her mark in the world of science, or in bureaucracy, or in civil services. No such future is ever thought of girls. Despite this kind of world, despite all these constraints, itne pressures ke baad bhi, these are the people who have made their names in the entire world. Indian women have made their mark, have made their name, have acquired success, have emerged as wonderful achievers. Nobody can question their credentials, nobody can question their capability, nobody can question their competence. So that is why their achievements are bigger than the achievements of their male counterparts. Boys are also achievers, men are also achievers, but these achievers, their effort is far more than the efforts which have been made by men, because they are fighting against a kind of culture which doesn't let girls, women, ladies grow. So this kind of impression is there in the entire world. Ladies are not meant for great careers. So now we are celebrating International Girl Child Day in order to pay our tribute to all those women, to all those girls who are making efforts, and they want to establish themselves in this male-dominated society, and want to carve their own niche, want to have their own place, want to get their own foothold in this society where number of forces are working against them. So this is the test of power, this is the test of strength, this is the test of determination that girls have in them. So each and every girl is supposed to emerge as an embodiment of excellence. Once that happens, this general perception will change. This world will not remain a male-dominated society. There everybody will have equality. No gender bias will be there. Gender bias will disappear. If these many girls who are here in this school, they have this kind of resolution that we are not to become ordinary, we are not to become mediocre, we are not to stay at a level which is the level for ordinary people. We are to become exceptional, we are to become extraordinary, we are to become meritorious people. Once that kind of thing happens, this overall perception will surely change. Gender bias will disappear. Nobody will have this kind of consideration in his mind, this is boy, this is girl. No such distinction will be there. All will be absolutely equal. So this wake-up call is needed. For this wake-up call also, International Girl Child Day is being commemorated here at the school.
आसमान को हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जब उत्तरों में तुम ले जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है जो तीर में बदलती है जो ढाल में भी ढलती है जो एक पल में अग्नि है जो एक पल में नींद है जो पत्थरों की स्याही से खींची हुई लकीर है जो ले लिया है एक बार पर वो करके छोड़ेगी उसके इम्तिहान में कोई भी डर अगर मुझे उसे फिक्र ना छोड़ना ही कोई डर
Special occasion, celebration alone is not enough. What we truly need is action. That action begins with the resolution, a strong firm decision to stand for the rights, safety and future of girls everywhere. This is not just my resolution. This is our resolution. It is a message to the world that girls are not weak. Girls are not less. They are to be seen with honor, dignity and pride. So my schoolmate will read the resolution and every student will repeat it together. हम रैवलडेल के बच्चे बात ये दिल से कहते हैं भेदभाव लड़का लड़की में हम नहीं सह सकते हैं। यह सिखाता है हमें ज्ञान, सबको हम समझाएंगे, घर घर ये ज्ञान फैलाएंगे। मेहनत जो भी करेगा, प्रयास से नहीं जो डरेगा, तरक्की वो ही करेगा। लड़का हो या लड़की फर्क कोई नहीं पड़ता है, आगे तो वो ही बढ़ेगा जो भी लिखता पढ़ता है। रैवलडेल के हम बच्चे हैं सभी एकदम सच्चे, कहते हैं हम सच्चाई, बात ये गुरुजी ने है सिखाई। लड़की लड़के से कम नहीं, उसके अंदर भी शक्ति है, वो भी कुछ बन सकती है। मौका उसको मिलना चाहिए, जीवन उसका खिलना चाहिए। हर लड़की दृढ़ निश्चय से आगे ही आगे बढ़ती जाए। रात दिन हर लड़की खूब लिखती पढ़ती जाए। जब हर लड़की करेगी हासिल एक ऊंचा मुकाम, जब पूरे समाज में होगा उसका नाम, तो मिलेगा उसको भरपूर सम्मान। हर कोई करेगा उसका गुणगान।